Hi, my name is Anthony Trevino, and today I'm actually gonna do an unboxing and probably a setup and I guess maybe a review on this J5 ScreenCast wireless display adapters. So in the past, I've used a lot of Microsoft's wireless adapters, and those were great. You can't find these anymore though. They're not. I don't know if they're not making them or discontinuing, but they're hard to find. So we have to look for alternative, and I found this on Best Buy's website. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. This one's a 4K. They have the 1080p. I think one's 4K is $79, and the other one's I think $49. So comes with plug into the TV. So this is so you can cast to any device that has HDMI, little extension for your HDMI, and this is your micro USB that's gonna plug into this HDMI device, then plugs into a USB connection or plug to power it. So let me go ahead and get that plugged in. We actually have a display here. Get that set up. Okay, I got the ScreenCast 4K, the j5create plugged into my input onto the TV. It looks like you can cast from your cell phone, your Android, your iPhone, your Mac, your Windows. Here it says on the Windows to do Windows P, but actually on my laptop, I actually did Windows K. And when you do a Windows K, it's just a shortcut to connect to cast, and you find ScreenCast and you connect. And it takes a few seconds. Looks like it's there. I'm actually gonna, I think the best test is to do a video that's in 4K. So it's transferring sound to the TV, which is great, especially if you want to share a video in the conference room. So again, I'm just on my laptop that I connected wireless, and because of this wireless display adapter, I was able to do that. Looks like the quality looks good. 4K. It's not pausing or glitching or anything, so I think this might be a good product. It's a good alternative than having a Microsoft's wireless display, which right now you can't find or you can't get. So, all right, thanks for watching.